How to fix Xbox One sign-in error 0x80a40019. FYI, the error above may mean that there was a network issue in connecting to the Xbox Live service. Because some Xbox One users also reported problems with signing in and playing games in 2017. To resolve this problem, try the following two methods. Method 1, check the official live service status on Xbox website at https://goo.gl/tfs56h. Note, if you see any alerts there, please be patient until all the services are up and running and try again. Method 2, restart your Xbox One console. To restart your Xbox One device, press the Xbox button. Select Settings. Select Restart Console as shown above. Select Yes to confirm. If restarting the console device doesn't resolve this 0x80a40019 problem, please wait a few minutes and try signing in your Xbox/Microsoft account again. Moreover, check if your console has been set to a language that isn't English. If so, press the guide button on your controller. Go to Settings, and then select System. Select Console Settings. Select Language and Locale. Refer to the following image, if you're using an old Xbox. Select Language, choose your desired language, then change the region by clicking the Location button. Hint, the Language button will set what countries you can change to. See related info at https://goo.gl/smghje. Xbox 360 dashboard displays text in the wrong language and https://goo.gl/xfsjpm. How to change the Microsoft Xbox One store region. Last but not least, keep your device up to date, https://goo.gl/h3iqam. Updating your Xbox One console.